In the world of woodworking, achieving a flawless finish is paramount. A finish can elevate a piece from ordinary to extraordinary. Lacquer stands out as a classic choice, enhancing the natural beauty of wood. For centuries, lacquer has been the go-to finish for artisans, prized for its sheen and durability. From ancient Chinese furniture to Art Deco masterpieces, lacquer has left its mark. Its appeal lies in its ability to create a surface that is both protective and aesthetically pleasing. Whether applied by skilled hands or modern spray equipment, lacquer transforms raw wood into art. In this guide, we will explore lacquer's properties, benefits, and drawbacks. Understanding lacquer will empower you to make informed decisions about your finishing projects. Join us as we unlock the secrets of this timeless finish. Lacquer, in its purest form, is a resin derived from the sap of the lacquer tree. This natural resin hardens into a durable and lustrous film. Known as urushiol, it has been prized for its beauty and resilience. Synthetic lacquers were developed, offering a consistent alternative. Modern lacquers, typically nitrocellulose-based, retain desirable properties. Lacquer is a solvent-based finish, drying by evaporation. This distinguishes it from finishes like varnish or polyurethane. The solvent acts as a carrier for the resin solids. As the solvent evaporates, the resin forms a hard, protective layer. This rapid evaporation allows for multiple coats in a short time. Lacquer's unique properties contribute to its enduring appeal. Lacquer's remarkable drying time is a compelling reason to choose it. Unlike oil-based finishes, lacquer cures rapidly. This quick-drying nature stems from its solvent-based formulation. Rapid drying translates into significant time savings. You can sand and recoat lacquer within hours. This accelerates the finishing process, streamlining your workflow. The quick-drying characteristic contributes to a dust-free finish. It minimizes airborne dust settling on the wet surface. This results in a smoother, more pristine finish. For professionals and hobbyists, lacquer's fast drying time is advantageous. It allows for quicker project turnaround times. Lacquer's practicality and user-friendliness make it a favorite. Lacquer is renowned for its speed and ease of application. Once cured, it forms a tough, protective layer. This resilience makes it ideal for furniture and cabinetry. Lacquer exhibits impressive hardness, resisting scratches and impact. This ensures your pieces maintain their appearance for years. Lacquer provides a lasting shield against wear and tear. Its resistance to moisture adds another layer of protection. While not waterproof, it provides a barrier against spills and humidity. This makes it suitable for items like trays and bathroom vanities. Lacquer's combination of hardness and moisture resistance is unmatched. It ensures your projects retain their beauty and integrity. Lacquer enhances the natural beauty of wood. It accentuates the wood's grain and figure. Lacquer forms a crystal-clear film, enhancing the wood's color. It's like adding a layer of liquid glass. This clarity makes it ideal for showcasing exotic woods. Lacquer is available in various sheens, from high gloss to matte. A high gloss finish creates a mirror-like surface. A satin or matte finish offers a more subdued look. Lacquer's versatility complements any woodworking style. Its ability to enhance wood's beauty makes it a timeless choice. Lacquer has limitations that must be acknowledged. It is sensitive to heat and certain solvents. High temperatures can soften and damage the finish. Hot objects can leave unsightly rings or cause blistering. Solvents like alcohol and acetone can mar the finish. Careful handling and maintenance are necessary. Use coasters under beverages and trivets under hot dishes. Avoid placing lacquered furniture near heat sources. Clean with mild, water-based cleaners. Understanding these limitations allows for proper care. With caution, you can enjoy lacquer finishes for years. Consider the environmental and health impact of lacquer. Traditional lacquers emit volatile organic compounds, VOCs. VOCs can have adverse health effects. Exposure can cause irritation and respiratory problems. Work in a well-ventilated area with respiratory protection. Water-based lacquers are a more environmentally friendly alternative. They contain lower levels of VOCs. Water-based lacquers offer a safer option. Follow the manufacturer's safety recommendations. Prioritize health and the environment in your finishing practices. Responsible practices contribute to a healthier woodworking experience. Spraying lacquer achieves a flawless, glass-like finish. It allows for even and consistent application. The fine mist settles onto the wood surface smoothly. Spraying is efficient for large or complex projects. A spray gun covers a vast surface area quickly. This speed translates into significant time savings. Spraying allows for controlled film thickness. Adjusting the spray gun settings fine-tunes the lacquer. This control is crucial for a professional-looking finish. Spraying requires specialized equipment and skill. Invest in quality equipment for optimal results. Mastering spray techniques takes practice and patience. Brushing lacquer is a viable option for many woodworkers. It allows for greater control in tight spaces. Brushing is more forgiving for beginners. A good quality brush and steady hand are essential. Apply thin, even coats to avoid brush marks. Brushing is suitable for smaller, confined spaces. It's accessible for those starting with lacquer finishes. Slower drying time can be an advantage. Brushing has limitations, such as achieving a smooth finish. Brush marks and unevenness can occur. Brushing results in a thicker film build. It's not ideal for every project. Choosing between spraying and brushing depends on various factors. Spraying offers speed, efficiency, and a superior finish. It's ideal for large, flat surfaces. Brushing provides a hands-on approach and control in tight spaces. It's suitable for smaller projects and beginners. Achieving a smooth finish with a brush takes practice. Consider the size and complexity of your project. Spraying is efficient for large pieces. Brushing is perfect for small projects. The best method achieves desired results within your constraints. Experiment with both methods to find your preference. The journey of woodworking is about creating something beautiful. Lacquer is not suitable for outdoor use. It is vulnerable to ultraviolet radiation and moisture. Sunlight can break down the lacquer film. This causes yellowing and an aged appearance. Moisture can soften and damage the lacquer. Prolonged exposure leads to cracking and peeling. This exposes the wood to further damage. Lacquer is not waterproof. Outdoor elements create an environment where lacquer fails. Choose a finish designed for exterior use. Ensure long-lasting beauty and protection for outdoor projects. Lacquer excels indoors but struggles outdoors. Understanding its limitations ensures proper use. Fortunately, a wide array of finishes is available, specifically engineered to withstand the harsh realities of outdoor use. These exterior-grade finishes are formulated to provide superior ultraviolet protection, water resistance, and durability, ensuring your outdoor projects endure the elements and maintain their beauty for years to come. One popular option is marine-grade varnish, renowned for its exceptional water resistance and durability. Originally developed for boats and other marine applications, marine varnish excels in withstanding prolonged exposure to sunlight, salt water, and harsh weather conditions. Its robust formulation creates a tough, protective barrier on wood surfaces, making it ideal for outdoor furniture, decks, and other exterior projects. Another excellent choice is exterior-grade paint, particularly those formulated with ultraviolet-resistant pigments and mildew inhibitors. Exterior paint provides a durable and decorative finish that can withstand the elements while adding a splash of color to your outdoor spaces. From fences and sheds to doors and window frames, exterior paint offers a versatile and long-lasting solution for protecting and beautifying your home's exterior. When selecting an outdoor finish, consider the specific needs of your project, the type of wood you're using, and the level of protection required. Factors such as the amount of direct sunlight exposure, the frequency of rain or moisture, and the overall wear and tear the surface will endure should all factor into your decision. Consulting with a knowledgeable paint or wood finishing specialist can provide valuable insights and recommendations tailored to your specific project and climate. Lacquer, often perceived as a simple, clear finish, possesses a fascinating chemical complexity. At its core, lacquer is a solution of resin and solvent. The resin forms the film, while the solvent acts as the carrier. Together, they create the durable, lustrous finish we recognize. Section 2. A closer look at nitrocellulose. Nitrocellulose, the heart of traditional lacquer formulations, deserves special attention due to its unique chemical nature and its significant role in shaping the properties of the finish. Chemically, nitrocellulose is a cellulose derivative, meaning it's produced by chemically modifying cellulose, a natural polymer found in the cell walls of plants. This modification involves treating cellulose with nitric acid, introducing nitrate groups, NO3, into the cellulose structure. These nitrate groups are the key to nitrocellulose's film-forming abilities. The introduction of nitrate groups disrupts the regular hydrogen bonding pattern within the cellulose structure, making it soluble in organic solvents like acetone, lacquer thinner, or esters. When dissolved in these solvents, nitrocellulose forms a clear, viscous solution that can be easily applied to surfaces. As the solvent evaporates, the nitrocellulose molecules, no longer held apart by the solvent, begin to interact with each other, forming intermolecular bonds. This process, known as film formation, transforms the liquid lacquer solution into a solid, continuous film. The strength and extent of these intermolecular bonds determine the film's hardness, flexibility, and overall durability. The degree of nitration, a measure of the number of nitrate groups introduced per glucose unit in the cellulose chain, significantly influences the properties of nitrocellulose. Highly nitrated nitrocellulose, with more nitrate groups, tends to form harder, more water-resistant films, but it's also more brittle. Lower nitrated nitrocellulose, on the other hand, yields more flexible films but with reduced hardness and water resistance. Lacquer manufacturers carefully control the degree of nitration to achieve a balance of properties tailored to specific applications. Section 1. Lacquer's place in wood finishing. Lacquer is prized for its quick drying time, durability, and aesthetic appeal. It enhances wood's natural beauty, providing a smooth, glass-like finish. Ideal for high-end furniture and surfaces demanding a pristine appearance, lacquer's clarity showcases intricate grain patterns. However, it requires careful handling to avoid damage from heat and solvents. Section 1. Lacquer's enduring appeal. Lacquer stands as a testament to beauty and durability in wood finishing. Its speed, hardness, and aesthetic appeal make it a classic finish. From ancient East Asia to modern homes, lacquer transforms wood into objects of beauty. Lacquer protects, preserves, and enhances wood's natural beauty. A well-executed lacquer finish amplifies wood's grain patterns and color variations. Whether high gloss or matte, lacquer elevates wood's inherent beauty. Mastering the art of lacquer. Mastering lacquer finishing requires knowledge, skill, and artistry. Preparation is key. A smooth, well-sanded surface ensures a flawless finish. Apply thin, even coats and allow ample drying time. Embrace the journey and let your passion shine through.